Hello my fellow eggheads, this is Liz. I'm a certified technician. Today we're going to talk about how to replace your Wi-Fi card on your Dell laptop. Let's get to it. Okay, first locate the Wi-Fi card when your laptop's open. Zooming in here, I'm going to go ahead and remove the singular screw. It can be a good idea to take a picture ahead of time if you're concerned about not remembering how it goes. Back in, and then I remove it from the cables. Zooming in here, the part number, see where it says CN dash, and then those first 6 digits, you're going to need. That's your part number. Now I'm going to gently put this back in, and I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to screw it back down. And you can take that part number and you can look up, Dell Wi-Fi card, followed by those digits, and then it will pull up the Wi-Fi card you need by the part number. On eBay or Amazon, this can be a great way to do it. Now I'm going to take my flathead screwdriver and I'm going to gently push down over it to snap it back in place. It can be a little bit finicky, but don't force it. Also, if you find this video helpful, please like and share. And now I'm going to continue doing this. You can also do it with your fingers, but sometimes people report that when they have slightly bigger fingers that this can be hard to do. So I like to recommend this method. Okay, so make sure that the wires are also routed correctly. You don't want them being pinched or anything because that can actually cause a fire. So make sure they're laid down correctly, and I'm going to take my screwdriver and give it a little quick check to make sure that they're on there good, and that's how you do it. If you found this video in any way helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more great content. But anyway, from one egghead to another egghead, this is Liz signing out.